Hello. Audible? I'm singing first time. Sorry if I bore you guys. At these performances, I've probably gone a little nervous. So I'm singing without music because I really don't know how to sing with karaoke. So. The song is हमें और जीने की चाहत ना होती है. हमें जो तुम्हारा सहारा न मिलता, भंवर में ही रहते किनारा न मिलता. हमें जो तुम्हारा सहारा न मिलता, भंवर में ही रहते किनारा न मिलता. किनारे पे भी तो लहर आ डूबती, अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते. हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है ऐसे बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे. तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है ऐसे बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे. दिखाई न देती अंधेरों में ज्योति, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, मेरी जिंदगी का तुम ही आसरा हो. तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, मेरी जिंदगी का तुम ही आसरा हो. मैं आशा की लड़ियां न रह पिरोती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते.
ये गाना विदाउट म्यूजिक में भी इतना अच्छा लगा है. अब देखिए.
So this was for my wife who was sitting right here. So she's
क्या बात है. आज तो अच्छा खाना मिलेगा घर में. डिनर इज रेडी. जिसका भी वेज नॉन वेज जो भी है, आप जाके वहाँ उनका जो सिस्टम है पहले ही बता दिया था, प्री ऑर्डर का लिस्ट, आप जाके ले सकते हैं.
So, well, it's so exciting to see so many people here today. So, because the whole idea is to have fun. So, इतना serious होने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? I mean, I think last time, and I was asking Manoj bhai, can everybody mingle, talk, and he said he's perfectly okay with it, right? So, he said ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, that's why I wanted to make sure if you're first time here, don't think that you're confined to that table. So, feel free, go in the back. I was telling last time we had the chai served at 6 o'clock. And everybody showed up at like 7 o'clock. So I told them to do chai a little late today, so everybody came early. But the whole idea is to have chai, mingle, and have your food warm. Okay, because we are not doing buffet, we are doing the boxes. So always just feel free to grab, enjoy. Yes, Yeah, we will take care of it. And as long as you guys show up on time, no problem. So thank you and have fun. And thank you, a big shout out for Manoj Bhai. Because he's so passionate about it, he takes the pain to line up the singers and all awesome. Thank you.
So I will take just 2 minutes before you go for dinner, right? Okay. Normally, there is I think there are software apps like Shmool and all, right? You go sing with a headphone and all, right? That is something I never liked because you cannot project your voice. Because if you don't see real audience, then whatever you sing at home, right? Many Shmool singers came, they had difficulties in adjusting because there are a lot of audience. You need to project your voice, right? So that is the reason you sing just like a singer. If you go to war, go with a machine gun, not with a small country revolver, right? So if you are coming here, everything has to be professional. So I talked to Hani Bhai, we discussed it. He has got state-of-art music system. You will not find that anywhere else. Anywhere you will go, you will find I think 2 speakers here. So he had the system, and I just have to come with the mixer and all. And this is working well. Thank you so much, and keep continuing. And I have one more object with that, right? We call this as a fancial, means fan plus social. Okay. Normally, social network means everyone will with a cell phone, they will be talking and all. Here, no cell phone, nothing. Come, eat, enjoy, make friends, and go. Okay. Thank you. Who is next? Akanksha. Akanksha? Okay.
Get it from here? Okay. What song? Begum Lea, okay, like.
Which one?
Begum Lea. Just write it. If you don't want to sing, please. Just show this way. How do we know which one to sing? I should highlight so we know when to sing.
हाँ भाई तो वही वाला था
Just do this one.
Both.
Just sing it, bro, it's fine. Just play it, bro, just play it.
ये वाला के पेचीदा सौंदनिया रे